I didn't bring my USB code.
But is it any ordinary especially?
The iPhone's USB code. I can't use any other USB code. It's a video, maybe a lot of them.
Information Studies Department. We are here to teach you about how to search for information on the internet effectively. Okay, I know that most of you have been on the internet before. You always go on the internet, but then sometimes searching for information can be a bit difficult, and you sometimes caught up with so much information you don't even know which one to choose. So today I'm going to show you how to search for information effectively and to get exactly the information you want. Okay, so I hope you're all familiar with the Google page, the home page. Who is not? Okay, so I think that all of us have searched for information using Google before. So this is how the Google page looks like. And anytime you want to search something, you type it in here. And when you type in whatever it is you are looking for, you click on search. Okay. So you type it in here, and then you click on your search. And then it gives you a whole lot of information. Okay. So today, these are the criteria we are going to look at. We are going to look at using multiple keywords, using compound words, using stemming or word variation, and then using operations. Operations, we have double quotation, using the bracket, and then using the title. Okay, so let's start with multiple keywords. Let's assume you are looking for the word pollination. We look for the search box, and then you type in pollination. But here you have biodiversity, conservation, and all those things. Like you have so many information that are not even actually related to pollination. Okay, but you want, let's say, every information you want is on pollination. This biodiversity, whatever it is, you don't need it. Okay, you don't need it. So this is what you use the multiple keyword. This is what you do. You add one more word to specify exactly what you're looking for. So I type in self-pollination. So I add one more word, self-pollination. First we had pollination, now we have self-pollination. Okay. Then the result I have gives me everything I need on self-pollination because I have specified I want information on self-pollination. So this is one trick. You use multiple keywords. You add one more word to make it your search very, very specific. And then reduces the number of hits. We have something we call the number of hits. Anytime you type in something, if you look at, sometimes you have 1 million hits, you have 2 million hits, you have 3 million hits, depending on the word you are searching for. But if you add another word, say self-pollination, it reduces the number of hits for you, and therefore making your search very, very easy. So our next criteria is using compound words. So we all know what compound nouns are, right? Okay, so who can give me an example of a compound noun? Form 3, right? Yeah. Okay. So I just want one example of a compound noun. Let me help you out. So we have stepmother, stepfather, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, daughter-in-law. Those are all compound words. I don't know about you, but sometimes I get confused whether to put, I don't know whether to put this sign in between the two or not. I don't know whether there's a hyphen between self-pollination or self-defense, stepmother, stepfather. I get confused. I don't know about you. hyphen in between. And to give you, then we have what we call stemming. Stemming. That's what we call stemming. Okay. Now, take a look at this. Anytime you type in any word into Google gives you other options. Like what we see here. So used cars, then I wrote FO. Then they asked me, used cars for sale. Used cars for sale by owners. Used cars for sale in Michigan. Used cars for sale in Ohio. And all those things. I have not finished typing whatever I want. But Google somehow helps you, gives you options. If my search is in between any of this, I just click on it and I'm gone. I don't even have to type in the rest of it. Okay, so this is what's called stemming or word variation. I can have a word like, say, misconception. I can type in misconception. Misconception. And then that misconception, I can get misconceptive. Misconcepting or something like that. Other forms of misconception. Okay, so that is also an example under the stemming. Okay, then we have using the operators. Double quotation marks. I type in air pollution in quotes. This makes your search also very specific. I don't want anything. I know we have water pollution, we have land pollution and everything. But I want air pollution, and I specify I want air pollution, and I put them in quotation marks. So you can see that all the results here are related to air pollution and nothing else. Can you see anything that is not related to air pollution? Okay. So is there any question you want to ask before I continue? Yes. And then there will be nothing else because you have specified by putting it in quotes. You have specified that that's exactly what you want and nothing else. Variations, so many things. You can get air pollution. They can give you suggestions on water pollution, land pollution, and all those. You can try it. Is there any other question? Please feel free and ask. Any other question? So can I continue? So we have what you call the title. And this is how the sign looks like. It has a sign of, it looks like a wave, kind of. And then I type in, you bring it here in front of the word you're looking for. Okay? This produces synonyms. You know what synonyms are, right? Nearest to meaning. So it gives you synonyms of the word you type in. So I type in reliable. As you can see, I have dependable, well-founded, well-grounded, authentic, definitive, valid, genuine. So sometimes I know in exams you guys have nearest to meaning, opposite to meaning, and words like that. So if there are any words you don't understand, you can also try this. Or this is like you know what a thesaurus is? Okay. It's more like a dictionary, but it gives you the opposites, the synonyms and the antonyms of the words you're looking for. They are all inside the thesaurus. So this would be like your online thesaurus. Any question? Yes, dear.
How do you find if the word is opposite? Because this is doing as near as
This gives you, so this sign only gives you synonyms and nothing else. If you use this sign, you only get the synonyms and nothing else. And whilst you are typing in this, please make sure you don't leave a space between the sign and the word. Let it be together. Okay? Any other question? Okay, there's the use of brackets. So I have sources of water into brackets, river. And this specifies that I want sources of water. Okay? But the sources of water I want should only be river. So give me a list of sources of water that has river in it. Okay, so you could give me, as if you look here, what are generally collected in the river from everything you have there is an all sorts of information to river. You can have the sea, you can have whatever it is, the sea, the river, and everything, the rain and everything. But what I want is river, source of water from the river. So I just put the river in quotes. So I can have sources of water into brackets sea. And all my results will be on sea. Probably gives you, to give you examples of sea in Ghana, which are sources of water to us. So you can talk about, I think the sea we have, we have a sea in Accra. Okay, so that could be a source of water. Okay, so this is the end of our presentation. Thank you. If there is any question, please feel free and ask. Any question, anything you don't understand, I don't mind going back for it. So if there's anything you don't understand, please tell me. We are here for you. Are you okay? Are you okay? So can I ask my question? Can I ask my question? Okay. Let's assume I'm looking for, say, stepfather. So how do I search for stepfather? In the first place, what is yes. You can put confirm this. And I thank you very much. Please help me clap for me. Okay. So for your studies. Okay. So the first website is IXL. IXL. So we are going to use this website to study mathematics. So I type in here factorization. You do factorization? Okay, so I type in here factorization into the search box. Then these are the results I get. So there are so many forms of factorization here. Okay. So you can use the same website to study. So this is another website. Okay. And this is mainly for science. But the fun part of this is it's more like a game. So whilst you are having fun, you are also studying. So you lose your money. So this, I think this website is fun and educational as well. And you are all writing your final exam, right? And all these things are in your final exam. So please, just make very good use of the website you are teaching me here. It's very, very important. So I'll write the website here for you. You can write it down when you go home at your free time. You can look through it. And then whatever you have learned today, you can practice it. Okay? So thank you very much for your attention. So I want you people to tell me what they have learned today. Tell me what you have learned today. Anything you have learned. Anything. Should I point? Yes, please.
How to use the internet effectively or using conquerors.
Using compounders. Thank you very much. So is there any other? We have taught you a lot. I taught you 4 things today. 4 new things today. So you might have learned something, yes?
What I want to look for is a element of way to change the entire site.
Thank you very much. Any other question? Please speak your opinion. I don't even care if someone has said it already. So feel free. Feel free and talk. Yes.
How to use the keywords.
So she's talking about using the